Input and output in Python are fundamental concepts that allow programs to interact with the user and the system. Let's break down the process of both input and output in Python. To start with input, Python provides a built-in function called input, which allows the program to take input from the user. When using input, the program will display a prompt to the user and wait for them to type in a response. For example, name equals input, enter your name. This line of code will display enter your name on the screen and wait for the user to type something and press enter. The user's input will be treated as a string and stored in the variable name. If you're expecting a different type of input, such as an integer, you will need to convert it using the int function age equals int input, enter your age. This will expect the user to input a number, which is then converted to an integer. For output, Python provides the print function, which is used to display messages, variables, or formatted strings to the user. For example, print hello world. This line of code will output the string hello world to the screen. You can also use print to output variables and more complex expressions. For example, print your name is name. This will display your name is followed by the value stored in the variable name. For formatted strings, you can use f-strings, formatted string literals, which are available from Python 3.6 onwards. For example, print f hello name. You are age years old. In this case, the variables name and age are embedded directly within the string using curly braces, and their values will be inserted into the output string. You can also format strings using the older.format method or the % operator, but f-strings are generally more readable and convenient. In summary, input is used to get user input, and print is used to display output. These basic functions are often the first step in creating interactive Python applications. Understanding and utilizing these functions effectively will allow you to build programs that can communicate dynamically with users.